Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. I just want to come on here and say thank you for all the lovely birthday wishes. This past Wednesday, May 17th, I turned 32. I'm still a baby. But anyway, I had a great birthday. I went to the Bluebell Ice Cream Factory up in Brenham, Texas, toured the whole factory. And also, I participated in a soul food cook-off. I didn't win, but I had a great time and it was a wonderful experience. And also, I met a fellow YouTuber and he is also a Houstonian like me. Jeffrey from Old School Soul Food. He has a great channel. He makes some great soul food dishes, old school style. I'll post a link to his channel down below in the description box. And then I went to lunch at a Mexican restaurant and they sung happy birthday to me. It's been a busy week, but a fun week. Stay tuned after this. I'm going to share with y'all some photos of this birthday week I had. Again, thank you, my friends, for the amazing birthday wishes. And I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy the slideshow. Much love.
Black it on now.
Blow your spoon.
Oh,
thank you.
You're welcome. 1, 2, 3.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bachita. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. I'm gonna make a wish.
Okay, make a wish.